Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, can I buy an iPhone with Affirm? And the answer is yes, you can buy an iPhone with Affirm. You see, Affirm is a payment option accepted by Apple and other retailers that sell iPhones. So this is typically how you can do it. 1. You need to go to the Apple website or a participating retailer's website or physical store that sells iPhones and offer Affirm as a payment option. When you're ready to purchase your iPhone, choose Affirm as your payment method during the checkout process. The option might be labeled as Pay with Affirm, Financing with Affirm, or Pay Monthly with Affirm. Next, you'll be redirected to the Affirm website or prompted within the retailer's checkout flow to apply for a loan. This usually involves providing some personal information for a real-time eligibility check. This check typically does not affect your credit score. If approved, Affirm will present you with one or more payment plan options, including details on the loan term. It could be 12, 24, 24 months, and the interest rate. Review the options and choose the plan that best suits your budget. Once you've selected your payment plan, you will confirm the loan details with Affirm and complete your purchase on the retailer's website or in store. After your purchase is complete, you will make your scheduled payment directly to Affirm according to the terms of your loan agreement. You can typically manage your payments through the Affirm website or their mobile app. Some retailers might also allow you to use Affirm through Apple Pay on your iPhone or iPad, provided you have iOS 18 or iPad OS 18 or later installed. It is important to note that loan approval and the terms of your payment plan are subject to an eligibility check by Affirm and may depend on your creditworthiness and the purchase amount. Hope you found this video helpful.